Good morning, children. This is the revision class of our lesson number 3. Today we are going to learn about demonstrative pronouns. What are the pronouns which we discussed? The names which are used instead of a noun are known as pronouns. We learned about possessive pronouns in our previous class. So now we are going to learn demonstrative pronoun. So, demonstrative pronouns are used to specify where the objects are. Either they are far or near. The objects which are far, we denote with the words that or those. THAT, that for the singular object. THOSC, those for plural object. Or NEAR, near for one object. The object which is near we use THIS, this. More than one we use these, THESC, these. And demonstrative pronouns are never followed by a noun. Immediately after this or that, these are those, we should not use the noun, name of something. For example, this soup is very tasty. That is the wrong way to write a sentence. The correct way is, this is a very tasty soup. This is the right way to use demonstrative pronouns. Now let us write this bit, B bit. Circle the correct demonstrative pronoun. First one, that or this is our principal over there. We have the two types of principals. So here that is our school principal we can call, and there you are saying THERE, there. It means he is far. So we use that. That is our principal over there. Second one, this or these is my cap and this or that is your cap over there on the shelf. So here, my cap. These, the word is used for plural, but you are saying only one cap. So it is this. This is my cap. And dash is your cap over there on the shelf, which is very far. So we use that. That is your cap over there on the shelf. Fourth one, are those or these your clothes here? Here you are saying, and that is more than one cloth. So these. Are these your clothes here? Fifth one, this or that is Matt's house over there. There means far than you. So we use that. A single thing but only one. So that is, we use that. Sixth one, whose shoes are? Shoes, more than one. This or these. So it becomes these. Now, let us write some personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns are the pronouns in which we include ourselves. In which we are adding ourselves are known as personal pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns describe about the objects or the persons. Describes about the objects. Possessive pronouns. These help us to say the object belongs to whom. Personal pronouns are I, you, he, we, they, him, her. And demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those, none, neither, such. Possessive pronouns my, mine, our, their, your, his, her. These are the types of pronouns. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.